Hello from Slovenia again. My fourth experiment with flower dip with plastic bag filled with air, and this time I will add less white, much less, because I think that I added way too much white on my first 3 attempts. My third is not dried yet, so I can't show it to you, but I will when it will be dry in one of my next videos. So you will see it definitely. Sorry, but I'm really have a bad cold still, or again, or however. I just have to sorry for a little music. So, and one thing I want to do different from the third, that I will do my metallic white first around, and then I will add other colors. This is alizarian violet again. I'm using the same colors as I said I would, so that we can see the real difference if we do something different. And cerulean blue. And alizarian again. Cerulean blue again. I think that I will add a little more my cerulean blue here. And I will do one more circle of alizarian violet and naples yellow in the middle. And a little bit of metallic white here. Maybe I will add some here too. And greens. Oops, I didn't mean to add it so much, but now it is what it is. We'll add it all around this time and see how this will look. I hope that I will not get it too much. And this is my self mixed lemon yellow, lemon green kind of green. I like it because it's so bright, and with this green just looks nice, I think. And this time I filled my, where is my bag? A little less, maybe just a third or even less than third. It's 3-liter zip bag. So I still didn't figure out how to put it on the canvas to not to get so much of air underneath. So I hope that I did it okay this time. I see some air here, but I don't know. I just roll a little bit, and now try to think that I still have too much paint. I just don't like this yellow part here. I will just try to blend it a little bit. You see, here I have too much air under my plastic bag, and I get this weird blob of white here. So just see if I can do something with this. Just want to do. I didn't lift this bag evenly, I see, because there is just a second to grab my paper towel, because I want to push some of this paint. So this white around, I think that it gives this nice effect, but still I didn't get this centered flower look that I was looking for. So maybe this zip bag is not a good idea. And I should use this bag that I used with previous the first two. So, and too much green. This is what I discover, that I should add less green, and I just want to let the air out of this plastic bag, so I can try to use this when it will be dry too, because it's nice. Let's torch a little if we will get something out. I do like it, but it's still not completely what I was going for. I get these effects with metallic white at the edge of the flower, but this middle part is not what I was looking for, but that's why our experiments for, to see what can you do different. See, this edge of petals are beautiful. I don't know which way I should show you to see this. Maybe that way, I don't know. It is kind of nice, but still not what I was going for. So I will try again, and less green, because it's too much green. And this is our zip bag. It's nice, and I hope that I can save it. I like this blue middle part here, you see, just gorgeous. So tell me what you think, what maybe we can do different. I don't know, I kind of like it anyway, but still I will do another experiment with this technique. So this was the fourth one, and see you next time with the fifth attempt on the flower dip with plastic bag filled with air. See you on the next one. Bye.